This beautifully maintained newer townhome offers a perfect combination of style, comfort, and convenience. Come take a look.
This move-in ready 3-bedroom home in the desirable Madison Place community features a bright open floor plan designed for comfortable everyday living and easy entertaining. The spacious kitchen offers granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large breakfast bar overlooking the living and dining areas. Upstairs, the generous primary suite includes a walk-in closet and private bath, along with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a conveniently located laundry room. With exterior landscaping maintained by the HOA, you'll have more time to enjoy the community's exceptional amenities.
Schedule your personal showing today. Like and subscribe.